Make a great choice today with the 2016 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, security system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.